Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix fail to connect to the game, and the error code you get on the screen is 279 in Roblox on Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error code 279 fail to connect to the game in Roblox on your Android mobile, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open the setting. You need to scroll down a little bit. In this you can see your app. Just tap on this. Just tap on the app list. Here you need to find Roblox. Just tap on the Roblox. Once you have to click on the force stop. After that you can see your second option, data usage details. Just tap on this. Guys, you have to make sure this option is enabled, background data. If it is disabled, just enable this option, then go back. Again you need to open the settings. In this you need to open SIM card and mobile data. Just tap on this. Select the SIM from which your mobile data has been enabled. For I selected SIM 1, just tap on the SIM 1. In this you can see your access point name. Just tap on this. Guys, you can see here top right side 2 dot. Just tap on this. Here you can see here reset access point. Just tap on this and tap on the reset access point. Then go back. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your mobile. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix fail to connect to the game, and the error code you get on the screen is 279 in Roblox. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.